Pakistan is increasingly becoming an example of how not to run a nation. Its finances are in tatters, political divisions are at an all-time high, and the threat of terrorism looms large over the security of the nation itself. But in the latest, cracks are emerging within the judiciary of the nation as well. Two Supreme Court judges have called for revisiting the power of the one-man show in a direct reference to the powers enjoyed by the Chief Justice of Pakistan. The remarks were made public in a detailed dissenting note. The judges cast doubt on the judgment handed down in the March 1st suo motu case. The case was taken up by Chief Justice Umar Ata Bandial on February 22nd about elections in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provinces. Meanwhile, the President and Prime Minister are not working in harmony either. On Sunday, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif sharply reacted to a letter from President Arif Alvi. PM Shehbaz Sharif said it looked like a press release of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party and it did not conform to the President's constitutional status. The President wrote to PM Shehbaz Sharif urging him to ensure the implementation of Supreme Court's orders of conducting general elections in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provinces. However, the Prime Minister in his letter replied that the President's letter was one-sided and held anti-government views. He said the letter was blatantly partisan in nature and supported Imran Khan-led parties' one-sided and anti-government views. For more on this, we are joined by our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik from Islamabad. Anas, the President and PM are also not on the same page in Pakistan. The Chief Justice being called a one-man show and is being contested as well. Can the judiciary find a final voice? What's the latest? What happened in the court today?
There's a lot of back and forth that has been ongoing here, Shivan, in the Pakistani legislature that is behind me, the Parliament of Pakistan, and the building that's right next to it, the Supreme Court. And it won't be wrong to say that it was a day full of drama, in both the places. Supreme Court was hearing the case of the postponement of elections in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab, the PTI petition, and in which some very interesting remarks were made, including to the point when the Attorney General of Pakistan, the recently appointed Attorney General of Pakistan, Mansoor Awan, tried to rake up the matter of the split in the court. Justice Mando Khail had gone up and said that leave it, let it be, this is an internal matter, unquote. Now, to which the Chief Justice of Pakistan thanked him, saying that that he has upheld the tradition and the norms of the court. With that being said, the same dissent note was echoed here at the Parliament of Pakistan a short while back when the Prime Minister was speaking, and he has hinted at curtailing the powers of suo motu, or the powers of the judiciary, in order to streamline the process. Now, that can be seen as a draconian move on the part of the opposition or on the part of the judiciary as well. The Prime Minister has hinted that there are reports through sources in the Pakistani media that there can be possibly such moves as well, which we can see probably sometime later today in the joint sitting of the Parliament as it resumes after iftar or after sunset prayers. But there seems to be more chaos and more visible split, be that be on the part of the judiciary or on the part of the legislator. Shivan.
Thank you for all those updates, Anas.